what is the political condition of India at present? Can you let me know it? If
Wha-
you agree.
Bro, I have not much knowledge about the political subject because I am not interested in this topic. So, if you know about something about Indian politics, what would you like to know? So, I can tell you.
How many parties have in India?
Bro, there are lots of parties like BJP, BSP, Aam Aadmi Party. Every party have major topic, so I would not like go there about political subject. So can I quiet this subject, this topic, then we can discuss something other.
It's okay, no problem. Let me, it's go. No problem. We come to another topics.
Yeah. So
That is,
before start our conversation, to you tell me something about your country.
I live in Bangladesh. Bangladesh is my motherland,
Mm-hmm.
and I live in a place under Bogura district.
Okay.
Bogura district.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
And you know that Dhaka is our capital country,
Yeah. I
capital
know.
town.
I know the capital of Dhaka of Bangladesh. I know very well it. So I think in your how is your institution system like who is the powerful government in your country? Like in my country there are two type government. First central government, second state government. So how is situation about your country?
Central government or state government.
Yeah.
You have two type of, that is central and central government. They have a president or prime minister, and in the state they have another government. They have another prime minister. Is it right or wrong?
Central government like prime minister and president and vice president, these are central government. But I want to know how is situation about your country, like these two type government are available in your country or not. I am asking you.
No, 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 no. They have only one center. You just like central government.
It means one government is ruling in overall your country.
Yes,
Okay.
govern all the country. Govern all the country with the help of some MP and some minister.
It means
They only,
there is no any
yes,
state government.
no, 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 no.
Okay.
Uh, India is built up, consists of 20 or more state, but Bangladesh is like one of the states. Bangladesh space of the Bangladesh is look like a state of one of the India, one of the state of India.
Yeah.
Okay, and we have no state within a single country. We have many districts, 64 district in our country. It's
Oh,
divided into 60 district and 8 division. 8 division.
okay.
And in this way, it's divided. But India is divided into uh, above 20 states, as much as I know.
Not 20 state only. Here are 28 state currently.
28 states.
Every state have every personal government, and there are seven. Before was seven, but currently is nine territory state.
Territory,
Yeah,
territory.
yeah. It means
Can you clear me about the territory government?
territory government is like only central government policy will be followed by these state. Like these state are popular like Delhi, Chandigarh and something else, where only central government can rule, their rule will be followed, and no state government can do anything from these state. So it's called like territory government.
Oh, yes. I
So
have got.
according to me, Indian constitution and Indian government is better than overall world, I think, because when I study about Indian constitution we feel like well, because there is no any constitution who is provide lots of facility about normal person. Indian constitution have given all kinds of freedom which normal person want to observe. Like it is democracy firstly, secondly if you have a right, so you can do anything which is provide my constitution.
Okay, I know about it that the Indian government follow the all rules and disciplines regulation
Yeah.
that have written in the constitution, and they try to give all the facilities and right that is that is written in the constitution. They always try to give those facilities to the subjects of India.
Yeah, bro.
And I also know that Mamata Banerjee, Mamata Banerjee give the subsidies to the uh, widow women, widow women who lost their husband, uh, and the any daughter is born in a in a family,
Mhm.
this target the subsidies. I uh, I somehow I get the news. It is a
Mm,
very good exercise.
yeah, good, but the government is provide money for those people, but more of the people they are not able to take this benefit, because some local person are not provide these facility from that person. They take this facility by government, but they don't proceed in the next person. So it is my local personal problem which is like ruling in the small sector like
That, that means local leaders.
yeah, yeah,
Uh,
yeah, yeah.
it was created by the central government or state government. They are providing those subsidies to the local leaders, but local leaders never contact with the respected person who are really demanded. Okay, that is the problem.
Yeah, bro, because it's corruption na. If our government giving me all facilities, we should take out that facility, because we have select the government for my weakness. We have create a government for my weakness. If government will do something for us and we are not able to take that facility, so what is the rule? It's not good, yeah. I'm not feeling good about it.
It is not the weakness of the government. It is not. It is not the blame of the government.
Yeah.
Government give manage all things. But I can say that it is the weakness of the governments. The government have to scrutinize, inspect every step in this regard. If they inspect or investigated that their subsidies are reaching to the respected person who are really deserve those subsidies or not, then they can Then, if the government see those instigate or inspect those matter very carefully,